ओके।
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम मिक्की कुमारी है। मैं कक्षा 9 की छात्रा हूँ। आज मुझे 15 अगस्त के अवसर पर मंच संचालन करने का मौका मिला, इसलिए मैं बहुत ही गर्वित हूँ।
Good morning all of you. I am Shweta Singh of Standard 9 English Medium. Today I have got a chance for anchoring, so I am very happy today.
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, काउंसलर मैम, शिक्षक शिक्षिकाएं एवं मेरे प्रिय सहपाठियों, आप सभी को देश की 75वीं स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं।
Today's environment is full of energy and enthusiasm. As we know, we are gathered here to celebrate our 75th Independence Day of our country. Now, on this auspicious moment, I would like to invite our Honorable Councillor Ma'am to host the flag.
स्टैंडिंग
उसको बंद करने की जरूरत नहीं, अभी रिकॉर्डिंग तो बंद नहीं कीजिए ना, चलने दीजिए उसको, बाद में कट ऑफ कर लेंगे।
सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुलें हैं इनकी ये गुलिस्तां हमारा। हम अपने स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को नमन करते हैं और धन्यवाद देते हैं जिन्होंने अपना जीवन त्याग दिया और महान बलिदान दिया। यही कारण है कि हम आज इस दिन का जश्न मनाने के लिए यहाँ एक साथ हैं। यह दिन उन राष्ट्र के सपूतों को समर्पित करते हैं।
Now I am requesting our Vice Principal Ma'am to speak some words to motivate us.
Thank you, student. Respected all, Director Sir, Counselor Ma'am, respected teachers, and my dear fellow student. Good morning and happy Independence to you all. So today we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. And it is a matter of pride for me to stand here in front of you to speak my words on this auspicious occasion. So, thank you all. As we know, on 1947, 14th August, Britishers left our country at night, and at the morning of 15th August, our country announced as the independent nation. हम सब जानते हैं कि कई स्वतंत्रता सेनानियां हमारे देश को आज़ाद करने के लिए अपना बलिदान दे चुके हैं. So, as a patriotic citizen, we should salute them and remember their sacrifice today. Now, we should be proud that we are living in an independent country. हमें संविधान से कई तरह का अधिकार मिला है. हमें ये भी अधिकार है कि हम अपना सरकार खुद चुन सकें. तो हमारा कर्तव्य भी ये बनता है कि हम अपने आप को इतना मजबूत बनाएं कि आगे चलकर कोई भी देश हमारा देश का ऊपर फिर से राज नहीं कर पाए। Our freedom is really priceless, and our soldiers continuously fight at the border to protect our country from the enemies. Student, आपका भी ये कर्तव्य बनता है कि आप भी अच्छी तरह से पढ़ लिख कर देश की प्रगति में हिस्सेदार बने। इसके लिए आपको कड़ी मेहनत करना पड़ेगा और सही मायने में तभी हम सबको आज़ादी मिलेंगे जब देश की सारी जनता एकजुट होकर देश को प्रगतिशील एक विकसित कंट्री बनाने का कोशिश करेंगे। और वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट इज दिस इज द ईयर ऑफ pandemic COVID-19, so we are not living a normal life and all the students are at home doing online classes, so we should habituate ourselves in this online classes. And वो विद्यार्थियों से मेरा अनुरोध है जो लोग अभी तक ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में नहीं जुड़े हैं, नहीं क्लास करते हैं रोज, आप लोग भी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस करें ताकि आप अपने आप को शिक्षित बनाकर देश का आज़ादी को कायम रखने में हिस्सेदार बने। और आप सबसे मेरा अनुरोध है कि आप अपने आप को भ्रष्टाचार से दूर रखें ताकि सरकार को भी अपना काम करने का सुविधा हो। बस कहने के लिए तो बहुत कुछ है हमारा स्वतंत्रता दिवस के ऊपर, कई दिन लग जाएंगे, लेकिन मैं आज इतना ही कहकर मेरा शब्द को विराम देती हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, ma'am. Now let's begin the program with a sweet patriotic song which inspire us to sacrifice ourselves for our country. The words of the song is हर करम अपना करेंगे ए वतन तेरे लिए।
मैम ऐसे भी रिकॉर्डिंग आ जाएगी, रिकॉर्डिंग का वॉइस आ जाएगा।
नहीं, वॉइस उतना आवाज़ होगा तभी ना इसमें अच्छा से आएगा, वो भी जरूरी है। हाँ।
तेरा सब कुछ मैं
a captive performance. Thank you, children, for such a beautiful song.
अब मैं हिंदी में स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर कुछ शब्द कहने के लिए मेघना कर्मकार कक्षा 10 की छात्रा को आमंत्रित करती हूँ।
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, उप प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, माननीय शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्यारे साथियों, आज मुझे स्वतंत्रता दिवस के अवसर पर अपना विचार आप सबके सामने व्यक्त करने का सुअवसर प्राप्त कर बेहद खुशी की अनुभूति हो रही है। आइए मैं आपको स्वतंत्रता दिवस के महत्व के बारे में बताती हूँ। प्रत्येक वर्ष भारत 15 अगस्त को अपना आज़ादी का जश्न मनाता है। 1947 में इसी दिन भारत ने यूनाइटेड किंगडम से अपनी आज़ादी प्राप्त की थी। इस दिन का भारतीय इतिहास में उल्लेखनीय स्थान है क्योंकि इस दिन यूनाइटेड किंगडम की संसद द्वारा भारत के विधानसभा को विधायी संप्रभुता प्रदान की गई थी। स्वतंत्रता दिवस भारत के महत्वपूर्ण त्योहारों में से एक है। यह दिन हमें आज़ादी की भावना में आनंदित होने का अनुमति देता है। आज से 75 वर्ष पूर्व भारत में अंग्रेजों का शासन था। वे व्यापार के बहाने भारत आए और धीरे धीरे सब कुछ अपने अधीन कर लिया और हमें अपना गुलाम बना लिया। इसके पश्चात अनेक लड़ाई और आंदोलन करने के बाद हमारे देश को 1947 15 अगस्त को अपनी आज़ादी प्राप्त हुई है। हमारे देश के वीर योद्धाओं की वजह से आज हम स्वतंत्र हुए हैं। कईयों ने अपनी जान की बाजी तक लगा दी, लेकिन कुछ ऐसे नाम हैं जिन्हें हमेशा याद किया जाता है और इन सभी महापुरुषों और शहीदों को श्रद्धांजलि दी जाती है। इस दिन का याद आते ही हम सभी भारतवासियों का मस्तक श्रद्धा से उन शहीदों के प्रति स्वयं ही झुक जाता है जिन्होंने स्वतंत्रता के यज्ञ में अपनी प्राणों की आहुति तक दे दी। 14 अगस्त को जब पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू अपना ऐतिहासिक ट्राइस्ट विथ डेस्टिनी भाषण दे रहे थे, तब गांधी जी बंगाल में थे और जल्दी सो जाने की वजह से वे यह भाषण नहीं सुन सके थे। प्रधानमंत्री जी 15 अगस्त 1947 में झंडा नहीं फहराए थे, बल्कि इसके अगले दिन 16 अगस्त को फहराए थे। इसके बाद से प्रत्येक वर्ष प्रधानमंत्री जी द्वारा लाल किले से झंडा फहराया जाता है और इस वर्ष 2021 को हम अपना 75वां जश्न मना रहे हैं। इस दिन को हम सब भारतवासी बड़े ही उत्साह और प्रसन्नता के साथ मनाते हुए आ रहे हैं। इस दिन सभी कार्यालयों और सरकारी कार्यालयों में झंडा फहराया जाता है और राष्ट्रगान गाया जाता है। इस दिन हमारा कर्तव्य है कि भारत के नागरिक होने के नाते हम अपनी आज़ादी का ना तो दुरुपयोग करें और ना ही दूसरों को करने दें। शहीदों के बलिदान को आने वाले समय में भी जाया ना जाने दें और एक भ्रष्टाचार व दुर्गुण रहित देश बनाने में अपना स्तर में सहयोग करें। जय हिंद।
English medium to say some words on Independence Day.
Good morning, respected principals, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Nikisha Kumari from Standard 7 English Medium, and today I want to say something to all about 15 August. I am very happy to have opportunity to express my thoughts on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. This is our 75th Independence Day celebration. Just 75 years ago, we got independence from British rule. The story of our freedom struggle is very big. It cannot be described in one day. Independence Day is important for every Indian. Just 75 years ago, British rule in India. They came to India on the pretext of trade and gradually took everything under their control and made us their selves. Then on 15 August 1947, India became independent after many agitation and battles. Many heroes sacrificed their lives to get freedom for India. Due to the brave warriors of our country, today we are become independent. And today we are celebrate Independence Day to pay tribute to those brave warriors. Independence Day is one of the national festival of India. Now, I am going to end my speech with these words. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Nikisha. Now I am requesting our counselor ma'am to come here and enlighten us by her few words.
I need a hidings. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Today we are all have to acknowledge our privilege of being born in India. Victory of British at the Battle of Plassey, the East India Company began its rule in India in 1757. The Indian Independence Bill was introduced in British House of Commons on 4th July 1947. India became free from Britishers with the bifurcation of India and Pakistan. Independence Day in India is significant as it stands as a reminder of the sacrifice of those freedom fighters made to get the independence. We feel really proud to be an Indian. Today, we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. We are living in this independent India because of the struggle of our freedom fighters. Independence Day is celebrated as national festival. Freedom doesn't mean that we can do everything we want without regard for others. We can indulge in correct practice. And from that point of view, I would like to say freedom means using the opportunities that our nation provides us to do the best in the things, in the ideas, in the technology, in the infrastructure, in the politics, as well as in the rules and regulations, whatever field we choose, so that this great nation prospers. In every Indian, we have to use his or her freedom to become the self-sufficient to work. Now I would like to say one more thing, that we are this year celebrating 75th Independence Day. It is the gift of our national freedom fighters. We have many prime ministers, many big and enormous politicians who have inculcated their ideas, their different ideas which is imported from other countries also. But one thing I would like to say, that within this 75 years, whatever may be the development has been done, is it sufficient? No. No, no. Why? Because the speed of progress, that is not at all satisfactory what we are expecting in our blueprints. Whatever may be the blueprints prepared by the secretaries of different politicians, running government even, that is only in our pen and paper. It is not at all success because of the improper use of the government fund, improper use of those taxpayers who are paying tax, but their money is exactly, it is not used properly. Some of the industrialists, some of the rich people, they all get it from the banks, basically from Reserve Bank, with a joint venture of Reserve Bank of India. Some commercial banks, they have given big loan to those people, which is used by those rich person or who have provided many infrastructures to develop the country. But in fact, it is not at all. Why? Because they are done it for their self-benefit, their self-prosperity. Even in today's date also, many of the people, I don't want to name those people because you are all reading the newspaper and you know those people. So I don't want to utter those names, but they are in the red list of Bhagoda. In Hindi, it is called Bhagoda. They all are established outside India. Their funds are in World Bank, but it is not yet calculated what is the exact figure of the fund of this World Bank. So on that basis, I want to say, ki, is it independent? Are we celebrating the independence of our country in a proper way? So in the same question again and same answer, no, no. Let us talk about this COVID period, that within 2021 and 21-22, we are awarded 4 or 5 different category of those people who are called the COVID warriors. I'm telling about policeman, safai wala, doctors and army people. They are called COVID warriors because they served. I appreciate those people who served really 365 into 24 into 7. But what about the teachers? What about the academicians? What about the council of JAG board, CBSE and ICSE? Whatever maybe they have done, is it called independent India's prosperity? This year, 2021 batch who awarded with their marks, not a single parent, they are happy with their marks because of the mishandling of evaluation in their paper. Though it is not done in the offline examination, but whatever may be the infrastructure they have prepared, the curriculum they prepared, on that basis the marks are awarded to the students. But is it called independent? One more thing, that those teachers I'm talking, and I just want to conclude my speech just by taking one more example. I am talking about teachers. Comparison to other countries, Indian teachers are really not awarded with their service at all. Some countries, they provide more salary to the junior teachers comparison to university teachers because they believe that junior teachers are the builder of the human being, and in the university that inbuilt students only polished. So on that basis, that those countries, they are providing more salary to the junior teachers. Okay, it's okay. In India, it is not. But I'm talking about the teachers who have done 101% effort in this Corona lockdown period. In Corona period, they did all their effort from home, which is called a tag of work from home. Anyhow, all those corporates, they done their work. Even they got maximum turnover and profit out of that work from home. But I'm talking about this academic area, this education of the country, which is concluded as the percentage of ICSE, JAC and CBSE board or some other state board also. Now the thing is that those teachers who don't know about their technology of gadgets of mobiles and your laptop and computers, they learn it within the first 2 months of the June, July in the year 2020. After that, they started inculcating that ideas that how to complete the online education, how to complete the total syllabus so that the children will be ready to appear the examination, whether it is offline or online. Finally, they did it. So they are not called the warrior. You tell me. You, the society of India, I am asking one question in a societal manner. You tell me, the teachers, don't they deserve the COVID warriors? Because all those COVID warriors, more or less, related to the health of the COVID. But the teachers in this COVID period, they prepare the total syllabus, they taught all those syllabus which is concluded for them, then they complete it, then they prepare the students for the final exam, they complete the course, and also they prepare the students for the board exam of standard 10 and 12. So are they not COVID warriors? I believe they are the topmost and the frontline COVID warriors, because in this pandemic they prepared the total youngsters in a proper way, whether they know or not, but they tried their effort in 101%. So if I will be any power to give them appreciation or any type of felicitation of the appreciation, then I would keep them in the front line of the COVID warriors, because they build all those youngsters in this COVID period. So by this talk, by this speech, I would like to conclude, and I would like to thanks to all the RBP family to call me as the guest or a part of their family. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Now it's time for prize distribution. So I request our counselor ma'am to come on dais to distribute the prizes to the winners. First competition is Junior Computer Quiz held on 17 July 2021. The winner is Team A. Nikisha Kumari of Standard 7 English Medium, Aarti Kumari of Standard 6 English Medium, Shweta Kumari of Standard 5 English Medium. Second competition is Fancy Dress Competition held on 24 July 2021. First theme is Juicy Fruit. Name of the winners: first, Pratik Kishore of KG. Thank you. Second, Arohi Gorai of KG. Third, Anu Gorai of Nursery. Arohi Gorai is absent. Next theme is COVID Warrior. Name of the business.
Who is that?
Next theme is COVID Warrior. Name of the winners. First, Ritu Singh of Standard 2 English Medium. Very smart girl. Second, Ansh Kumar of Standard 2 English Medium. Thank you. Chaudhary of Standard 1 English Medium.
So take a snap. Say thank you, Aryan.
Thank you.
दूसरा एक्टिविटी है कोलाज मेकिंग कंपटीशन जो 24 जुलाई को हुआ था, जिसके विजेताओं को मैं बुलाना चाहूँगी। पहला विषय है ट्रीज आर आवर फ्रेंड, जिसके विजेता हैं फर्स्ट कृष्णा कुमार 4 इंग्लिश मीडियम। धन्यवाद। सेकेंड वर्षा कुमारी 5 हिंदी मीडियम। थैंक यू मैम। अब मैं शंकर सर को आमंत्रित करती हूँ प्राइज देने के लिए।
संजीत सर, ये सारे प्राइज विनर्स का और ये सिंगर सबका एक ग्रुप फोटो लास्ट में लीजिएगा, उसके बाद बच्चों को छोड़िएगा।
दूसरा विषय है वैक्सीनेशन इज एसेंशियल फॉर ह्यूमन बीइंग, जिसके विजेता हैं फर्स्ट सौरभ दत्ता 7 हिंदी मीडियम। धन्यवाद। सेकेंड श्रेया शाह 6 इंग्लिश मीडियम। धन्यवाद। तीसरा एक्टिविटी है पेरेंट्स चिल्ड्रन इंटरेक्टिव डे जो 31 जुलाई को हुआ था, जिसके विजेता हैं
First, Vicky Kumari of Standard 9 Hindi Medium. Thank you. Second, Janet Kumar of Standard 9 Hindi Medium.
थैंक यू।
Now I'd like to invite our Honorable Principal, Mr. M. Shankar Rao, for vote of thanks.
Good morning, all teachers. First of all, happy Independence Day to all. It's a memory where we are standing. And every day we are doing struggle and do our best. Students are free to do anything, but if they think about the country, they can do a lot. So my message is to that: if you cannot do any great thing, do small thing in a great way. That is called real independence. Okay? You have freedom of thoughts. Make your life successful by doing hard works. Constitution has provided fundamental rights. A freedom fighter has gifted you the freedom, so you are free to make your life successful. First. Second thing is that our freedom fighters sacrificed their lot. If you see the history, you can't bear the pain. So we must recall our freedom fighters, such as they are our inspiration, how they sacrifice their life. They have a beautiful life, but they sacrifice their life for the sake of our future. They think that if we live in this slavery country, what would be the future of India? So I would like to say the full form of India. First, you must understand, that is we have done a lot of movements for the sake of our country. So, 1947, by the Quit India movement, the Britishers provided India word, that is I, independent and nation in August. Independent nation declared in August, that is India. So we must realize, we must recall our freedom fighters, what they sacrificed and how we are making our life fruitful. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Now let's have a picture for the students. Those who are who.
With this, we are concluding our program. Thank you.